Hello everyone and welcome to today's Friday Flyby. Today I've got a 2002 CIRRUS SR22. People call me all the time saying, hey Grant, what's the best deal you got? What's the best value you got? Well folks, this is the deal. This aircraft has only 1,660 hours total time since new, both on engine and airframe. Incredibly well equipped with a glass panel, Avidyne primary flight display and multifunction display, along with dual WAAS 430s and a DFC-90 Autopilot. As we had discussed, one of the greatest advantages of this SR22 is its avionics. For a Generation 1 to have a primary flight display, multifunction display with EMAX, dual Garmin 430s, and a DFC-90, along with a GTX 345, enabling you to connect both for ADS-B traffic and weather to your iPad is a great compliment. And again, this is a value SR22, so you that are budget-minded, looking for a great aircraft that's going to give you 175 knots and have WAAS and do your flight training, this is a great aircraft. And what you've been waiting for is what's that price? Best price in this aircraft is $259,000. Give us a call today. We'd love to talk to you about it. I'm Grant Sutherland with AirMart. Thank you.